guys, we have our Guinness, we have our condensed milk, our lime, our nutmeg powder, some vanilla essence, and this is all we're gonna have to make our stuff. And our blender. We have 2 eggs. This is our ingredients. Guys, first we're gonna pour this Guinness. Make sure you get everything in it. Okay, that's done. Then we're gonna open our condensed milk. Condensed milk, and we're gonna add it in here. Chip all that, slowly. We should get everything in it. Now that we successfully added our condensed milk, we're going to add some vanilla essence. So just a slight little drop, and that should be enough. Lastly, we'll be adding our nutmeg powder. This stuff you can find anywhere, but we can add this next. I just forgot to add our egg. So you're placing the egg in this. And now we are going to blend it in. That should be enough. And this is what we got. And now that we have this, we're going to add it to this. Add my nutmeg. And we have hey guys, I forgot to add the next Guinness, so we're gonna add this next one to it.
Already, Auntie, you go and get your bucket for it.
And there we have it, guys.